Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we have a pretty good sized box unboxing from, you guessed it, Glenn the Hustler Hex. There is quite a bit of items, so let's get right to it. Again, thank you. And he added a little extra things, hopefully in my size. So here we have packages in packages. So here we have a size XL. Let me try to just open this on the top so we can find this at Browntown Finds. If it's not spelled out here, it's gonna be link in the description for sure. This is a size XL. Here we have, this is a pretty nice shirt. Honestly, summer coming up, so we got that. Here we have another XL. What a coincidence that my dad's XL. He's buying a bunch of XL. He stopped buying 2X. I don't know if he's telling me to lose weight or man, this bag wants to fight me. Woo! Simple here. Nike patch embroidered, but on the back, I think this is big enough to fit me, not gonna lie. Like, it looks nice. So I might have to try this on, just so you know. It says purpose moves us. Honestly, I liked it, but I also don't like it because it's not embroidered. The only embroidered piece is here down below. So if you see it on the Browntown Finds eBay, like, you know why. So we have a couple things here. We have a large, same size, and these things are oversized, so I just might have to. We've seen this one in the channel before. Fire, I really like this team. We've seen this one in the channel also. If you guys are getting deja vu, you're not. It's just that, you know, good stuff sells. So this was an XL and this one was a medium. My best friend's a medium. Might have to twin. Here we have 2XL, so I'm gonna leave that right now on the side. Another 2XL. This one's like Space Jam themed. I'm not a big fan of it, so this one for sure will be on the eBay store. This one I haven't seen. Long sleeve. I know summer's coming up, but look at the sleeve. It says just do it, JDI, all these colors. It says Nike Wild, right? Yeah, I like the check, really nice. And here it pretty much describes my life. It says crazy wild Nike, you know, for those people that know me. I might put this one off to the side just in case. Third and final package. Ooh. It's a medium. This is really nice. This gives me like Obey vibes. Actually, I was at the La Plaza Mall earlier. I do have something special for you guys. But I saw an Obey shirt, kind of looked like this. I really like that it's embroidered. Sadly, it's not my size. Also, tip for the big boys out there: lines like this make us look wider. Lines like this make us look taller. Keep that in mind when you're looking at clothes. Even though it looks fire, but I mean, if you don't mind looking wide. Ooh, 2XL with the Nike check embroidered. This one looks kind of cropped, but it's okay, you know, sun's out. It's simple Nike. Like, I was thinking, like, imagine like putting something here on the back, like the YouTube or something, like making a custom out of this with like the iron on. That would be fire, honestly. These would match a lot. So honestly, this one, you'll see it on the website for sure. Like, that's no doubt. My favorite, obviously, say the best for last without even knowing. This one for sure. I'm gonna try it on. If it fits, more than likely it will. You'll see it in the collection. Guys, thank you for watching. Again, Browntown Finds on Instagram and on eBay. Link down below to both accounts. Hustler Hacks, thank you again. You could reach him on his Whatnot, eBay, YouTube, Instagram. Hustler Hacks, you know, great guy. As you see, he always shows love, and we show back love, and that's what it's about, you know. Especially these resellers that are not trying to screw you over. Like, it's beautiful to support, and as you see, the support comes back. So again, thank you all for watching. Stay blessed and always eat cake.